Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to create a Duolingo account on your phone. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the Duolingo app, open it, and after that go and click on Get Started and click Continue. Click Continue again. So, for example, it will ask you what do you want to learn exactly. And there is a lot of languages that you can learn. And of course, those languages, for example, this one for English speakers, and that means that they will teach you the other language from your native language. You can choose like whatever language that you speak. For example, I will choose for English speakers and I will choose Finnish language. Click Continue. And after that, it will ask you how did you hear about Duolingo. It will ask you about the language that or the skill that you want to learn. Click Continue. Okay, it will ask you why you are learning this new language. Okay. Now you should choose your daily learning goal, 5 minutes per day, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 20 minutes per day. Let's put 5. Okay. And you can add the widget on your phone also to follow the app, but I don't want to do it. Click Continue again. And it tells you that you can add Duolingo to your reminders app. I don't want to put it also. And it will tell you that in 3 months you can converse with confidence, you can build up your vocabulary, and you can develop a learning habit. And here you have 2 choices. The Super Duolingo, which is like paid app, but you can get it for free for the first week. Or you can start learning for free and you will have some ads and things like that. So let's choose Super Duolingo and click Start My Free Week. Let's confirm that. And set a reminder. So they will remind me before my free trial ends. And click Start My Free Week. Okay. Let's try it. Okay, let's click Subscribe. Okay. Okay. So our subscription is successful. Okay, so now you have 2 choices. You can start from scratch, like from the beginning, or you can do a level test. So I will click Start from Scratch, click Continue, and click
Joni.
Continue, and it will start the first lesson with you, and you can start like practicing the language that you wanted to learn. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.